Good evening, parents and students. I just wanted to put up a refresher for students in how to find extra copies of assignments that they may have been absent for or may have lost. I've had a lot of students asking for extra copies lately, so I just thought I would do a quick screencast to show you where to find them. So on our class Canvas page, if you scroll down, you can see all of the warm-ups in this PowerPoint presentation here. Students can click through and see the warm-ups that they've missed for each day and what's involved there. They do need to be signed into their Google Apps for Education account, so they go to hcpss.me and sign in first, and then they can see this. They also need that to see the extra worksheets, but if you click on Course Resources on our Canvas page, and you click on the unit that we're in, I have a link to the textbook here, as well as copies of worksheets, and then sometimes I'll post PowerPoints or videos here. So if you click on the worksheets, I have it divided by quarters. So here's quarter 1, here's quarter 2, and all of the worksheets for the Vehicles in Motion unit for quarter 2 are in this folder. Now they can choose to download and print it and fill it in, or they can fill it in digitally and send it to me via email. But if they do it in Google Drives, they need to make sure it is shared with me or I don't see what they've done on the paper. If you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me an email. Thank you and have a great evening.